Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Astroon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Astroon is a pioneering Web3 ecosystem developed by a Wacker Games, a dynamic indie game studio established in August 2021. The project combines captivating gameplay, child-friendly animation, and innovative playable PFP NFTs, profile picture for proof, to create an immersive digital entertainment platform. At the heart of the Astroon ecosystem lies the Astroon token AST, which powers transactions and community engagements across various platforms. Astroon project institution rating is 3.8 and this project audited by Ceritic. Astroon token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 614.27 million AST token. AST token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.